In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to set up category links for your store/blog/events/videos. By the end, you'll know how to create categories and link directly to them from your site navigation, so visitors can jump straight to filtered content. We'll cover both Squarespace 7.0 and 7.1 since the steps differ slightly, and then we'll create a navigation link that points to a specific category. First, open a trusted tutorial article that walks through linking blog categories in Squarespace. Keeping a visual guide nearby can help you confirm you're in the right place as you go. If your site uses Squarespace 7.0, head to the main menu, then go to Pages and select your blog. Open any existing post and click Edit. In the post editor, look to the bottom left panel and click the plus sign next to Categories. Choose Create Category, type the category name you want to use, and press Enter to save it. When you're done, be sure to save your post changes in the bottom right corner so the category is attached and available to use elsewhere. If your site uses Squarespace 7.1, go to Pages and select your blog, then click the three dots next to the blog and choose Settings. Under the Content tab, click Categories, type your category name and press Enter to save. When finished, make sure to save your changes at the top left. A quick tip here, naming conventions matter. Keep names short, consistent, and clear so your navigation looks clean and your filters make sense to your visitors. Now let's create a navigation link that points directly to a category. Open your site navigation and add a new link. Give it the exact same title as your category so everything stays consistent. Next, click the settings cog for that link. Choose Page, then select your blog as the target. You'll now see a category drop down. Pick the category you just created so the link automatically filters your blog to that category when clicked. Save your settings, and then save the navigation changes to publish the link on your site. A few quick notes before we wrap up. If you don't see the category dropdown, double check that you chose your blog collection page, not an individual post. Remember to save in the correct spot depending on your version. And while we demonstrated this with a blog, the same approach applies to other collections like store products, events, or videos when categories are enabled. That's it. You've created categories and linked to them from your navigation, giving your audience a faster, more focused browsing experience.